Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So Samsung has just announced Z Flip 5. So let's start with its specifications, guys. So the main display is 6.7 inches Full HD plus display, and this is AMOLED display and comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Now cover display is a 3.4 inches AMOLED and comes with 60 Hz of refresh rate and also comes with Gorilla Glass protection. Now SoC is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4 nanometer based, and software is Android 13. Rear camera is 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual, and front is a single 10 megapixel shooter, and battery capacity is 3700 mAh with 25 watt of fast charging. And the price of this handset is triple nine US dollars, which is roughly around 82,000 Indian rupees. So thanks for watching, guys.